Rain, you came silently through half-opened window pane. Inside my veins, flowed gradually through nooks and crannies of my course by lanes. So spontaneous, oh, 2 drops of rain. Meandered through meadows, wandered inside lonely woods, gracefully like virgin maiden, like pearls of rejoice you fell on joyous leaves of watercress. O magnificent 2 drops of rain, filled each and every rill with bliss of serenity. O rain, you fall from heaven to dwindle away aching pain. With time, again and again, all mortals end, but you, the living soul, dwell. O spontaneous, O magnificent 2 drops of rain.